Fette Compacting. Be efficient.
Hello, have you ever been curious what Fette Compacting Consulting Services are about? My name is Ina and I'm happy to give you a short overview how you can profit from our support. Independent whether you are facing an application issue or interested in increasing your personal performance, our interdisciplinary team of experts is always the right point of contact when machine and product have to get in perfect alignment. Before or during the consulting visit, our application specialists always start with understanding the specific requirements for your product, including QTPP, critical quality attributes and specification limits. Next to looking onto the final product, we always aim to get an in-depth understanding of the characteristics of the powder formulation, including physicochemical properties of the final blend. Either by analyzing your quality control data or by conduction of additional analytical techniques in our technology center. Based on the understanding of your product and your specific requirements, our application specialists will identify critical spare parts, select their perfect design for your process, and align them perfectly to your product. This is followed by testing of various process parameter combinations to identify the sweet spot to achieve highest possible performance with highest quality. Independent from whether we are visiting you to solve an application issue or to improve your personal performance, we are always aiming to follow up on each project with you to track your personal improvement. We also offer creating customized concepts for optimization of entire machine fleets, including feasibility concepts for new technologies. Our interdisciplinary and international team of experts is always eager to talk about your specific project. So, when will you start to take the next step for your OSD production?
Fette Compacting. Be efficient.